The existing switches on your project do just fine to control the 3 LEDs. Let's explore their limitation. Find your DC motor, as well as the blue plastic fan blade, wire strippers, scissors, and your maker tape. Push the blue fan onto the motor axle. Afterwards, use a wire stripper to strip about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of the insulation from the ends of each motor wire. Measure, cut, peel, and stick a small 1/2 inch piece of maker tape to each of the motor wires as shown. Back at the LED portion of your project, start by removing the green LED and replacing it with the motor. Black wire touching black path, red wire touching red path. This gives us an opportunity to see what a motor does when using the same switch. It still turns on, but only turns on in one direction. Now use the same procedure for the blue. Remove it and replace it with the motor. Again, red wire to red path and black wire to black path. This gives us the opportunity to test each of the push buttons. They each still turn the motor on, but it's still only going in one direction.